Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best disc golf disc for beginners. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with putters. This type of golf disc is ideal for short distance throws, 200 feet or 61 meters to the target. They are deep rimmed and broader, slow flying with a speed of 1 to 2 and accurate shorts. This deep rim character makes them slower at throws in the air. Putters are less likely to bounce back after a short distance since they have blunt edges. For grip, this disc is a top-notch due to its broader rim. So whenever you are near a target, putters will be there to serve you right for a good shot. Distance drivers. As their name suggests, this disc has a great capacity to travel great distances, providing the maximum distance possible for players on every throw. They have great speed, good range, and can cut through the wind when thrown. For all this to be achieved, it requires a proper throwing technique and arm strength. Young or new players won't find this comfortable. It's ideal for advanced players. Depending on the type, some distance drivers might provide a straight line flight, while others may have the ability to shift right or left down the fairway. The speed capacity they have is between 10 and 13. If you want the game to end as soon as it starts, then the distance driver is up for the task. Midranges. Best for medium distance throws, 50 to 100 meters near the target. They are a jack of all trades. The rim width is wider and designed for comfort, good grip, and accurate control throw. Its rim width falls between the driver and putter, hence it's more comfortable to hold and throw. They're your best choice as your first discs, or if you just want to use one type of disc for the entire play. They are suitable for a straighter flight path and never vary off their intended flight. Which is the best? The disc golf putters are the best since it has a neutral flight boost arm throw. They're best for beginners due to their lightweight and easy control in plays. This feature lays a good foundation for a player in the game. Thanks for watching.